Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about 2D lists in Python. So 2D lists are very simple. Very simple. Don't let the name discourage you. Here we have three lists. And as you know, lists use square brackets, okay? So muscle cars, we have a Camaro, Mustang and Challenger. Trucks, we have a Sierra, Raptor and TRX. Sport cars, we have Corvette, Ford GT and Viper. So there's two ways we can go about this. Or there's one way, but then we can use two ways. But we have a cars variable, and in the cars variable, we're going to make a list. And inside the list, we're going to have muscle cars, and we're going to have our truck variable, and we're going to have our sport variable / list. Okay, cool. So when you move on to print, we want to print cars. So if we print cars, it's going to print everything. It's gonna print every list within this list. Okay, but if we specify cars with an index of 0, it's gonna display the first list of that list. So the first list is muscle. So if we change it to truck, which is 1, okay, it's gonna print all the trucks. And same for number 2. It's going to print all the sport cars. Cool. Now if we specify another index, this might get confusing, but it actually makes sense if you think about it. Let's say 2 and 0. Corvette. Now how does that work? We have 0, 1, 2. So the first index is 2, and which is sport. And in that we have 0. So 0. So 2 and 0 means this. It's basically like kind of like a matrix if you kind of think about it. So if we change it around and say, let's say 1 and 2, it's gonna go down to truck, and from truck it's gonna print not Sierra, not Raptor, but TRX, because it's gonna 0, 1, 2, which is TRX. So it's gonna print TRX. And that's basically it for lists in Python, or 2D lists I should say. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and of course, as always, the full code will be posted in the comments down below.